So today I'll be showing you how to stop the YouTube application on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro from using mobile data. So if you want YouTube to only use Wi-Fi, and when Wi-Fi is not available, it does not use your mobile data, you can do that in the settings. So let's go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down on the list of apps all the way at the bottom until you get to YouTube. Now, this is a page where you have to allow YouTube to access certain things on your iPhone. One thing you want to stop YouTube from accessing is mobile data. So here next to mobile data, turn that off. And that means YouTube will never use mobile data. YouTube will only work when there's Wi-Fi, and when Wi-Fi is not available, it just stops working because it has no permission to access mobile data. And that's basically how to stop the YouTube app from using your mobile data on your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.